the best to-do list apps for 2026. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the best to-do list apps for 2026 and how they can help us and how help you to stay organized, manage your tasks, and improve productivity overall. With so many apps available today, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming, and some apps focus on simplicity and others add powerful features like collaborations, automations, and even AI-powered task suggestion. The truth is that the best to-do list app isn't necessarily the one with the most features, it's the one that helps you actually get things done. Modern productivity apps now combine calendars, reminders, collaboration tools, and automation to make task management easier than ever. In this tutorial, we'll look at several of the most popular and powerful to-do list apps in 2026, including Todoist, TickTick, Notion, and AnyDo. By the end of this guide, you will know which apps are the best for different workflows and how to choose the right one for your needs. Before choosing a task manager, it is helpful to understand the features and what makes them a good one. Most modern to-do list apps include several core features such as task creation and reminders, along with personal organization and cross-device syncing with collaboration tools as well. Some newer apps also include AI suggestions and automations, helping you organize your tasks automatically or plan your day more efficiently. Another important factor is simplicity. If an app becomes too complicated, then people often stop using it entirely because it gets too overwhelming. The best productivity apps balance powerful features with an easy interface that makes task management feel much natural. With that in mind, let's take a look at some of the best to-do list apps you can use in 2026. Now, one of the most popular productivity apps in the world is Todoist. Todoist is widely known for its clean design and powerful task management system. It allows you to organize your tasks into projects. You can set up due dates for each of these, and then you can also add in your daily notes and collaborate with others. One of Todoist's most useful features is its natural language input. This means that you can type something like submit report tomorrow at 9 a.m. and the app automatically schedules the task. So if you simply go over to a new note or add in a new task, we're simply going to add in remind us for a meeting, and that way the task is simply stored inside. And now if we go over to our inbox, we can see the reminder being added in the tasks. Now the platform also includes filters and productivity tracking tools, so you can monitor your progress over time. Because of its balance between simplicity and advanced features, Todoist is often considered one of the best all-around task managers available today. Another excellent productivity tool is TickTick. TickTick is known for combining multiple productivity tools inside one single app. Along with task lists, it also includes a calendar view and Pomodoro focus timer. This makes TickTick ideal for people who want a single app that can handle planning, focus sessions, and habit tracking. Many users also appreciate its calendar's integration and scheduling features, which help visualize tasks alongside daily events. You can simply even type in your daily tasks, and the task is directly added. Now, because it offers so many tools in one place, TickTick is often a favorite among freelancers and productivity enthusiasts. If you want something more flexible, then Notion is worth considering. Notion is not just a task manager, it is a complete productivity workspace where you can create databases, notes, documents, and task boards. Instead of using pre-built task lists, many people create custom productivity systems inside Notion using different kinds of templates or just starting from scratch. You can build in boards and add in statuses and then navigate them easily. For example, you can create dashboards that combine your tasks, your project tracking, meeting notes, and content planning. Because of its flexibility, Notion is particularly popular with teams, creators, and entrepreneurs who want a customized workflow. You can build an entire dashboard, and it is pretty easy to navigate. Another useful task manager is AnyDo. AnyDo focuses heavily on daily planning and habit building. One of its standout features is the Plan My Day system, which encourages users to review and organize their tasks every morning. If we go over to my next 7 days or to simply go over to my day feature, we're going to see the tasks that are added today. So even if the tasks were added a week before, you will still be able to see those tasks currently depending on the day. Now, the app also integrates tasks with calendars, reminders, and collaboration tools so users can manage both personal and work schedules in one place. Because of its simple interface and daily planning focus, Anydo works well for people who want help staying consistent with their routines. You can also connect in your Google Calendar or your Google Meet directly for meetings. Now, with so many options available, choosing the right to-do app depends on your personal workflow and not just which app is the best. If you want a simple but powerful productivity system, then Todoist is usually the best starting point. If you prefer an all-in-one productivity toolkit with timers and habit tracking, TickTick may be the better option for you. Now, people working inside Microsoft ecosystems may prefer Notion because creators and teams often choose Notion for its flexibility and the dashboards that it comes with. And if your goal is improving daily planning habits, then Anydo is going to do it for you. Ultimately, the best productivity tool is the one that fits naturally into your routine and encourages you to actually open up tasks. Before we finish this tutorial, here are a few tips that can help you get the most out of any task management app. First is to keep your task list simple. Adding too many tasks at once can make the list feel overwhelming and just too much going on in one place. Second is to prioritize your tasks that truly matter instead of filling your list with small or unimportant items. Another helpful strategy is using daily planning, choosing a few key tasks each day instead of trying to complete everything at once. Finally, remember that productivity tools are meant to support your workflow, not complicate it. The goal is to make organizing your tasks easier and more consistent rather than overwhelming it. To-do list apps have become essential productivity tools in 2026, whether you prefer a simple task list or a full productivity system. There are many powerful apps available to help you stay organized and focused. Tools like Todoist, TickTick, Notion, and Anydo each offer different strengths depending on how you like to manage tasks and plan your day. Choosing the right one comes down to your workflow, your preferred level of complexity, and the features that matter most to you. And that is a look at some of the best to-do list apps that you can use in 2026. Whether you're managing personal tasks, work projects, or daily routines, the right app can make a huge difference in staying organized and productive. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.